Okay, so let's talk about the thyroid and what it does to you. So basically, your thyroid, one of its major functions is it regulates metabolism. So obviously, if your thyroid slows down, it's going to cause you all sorts of trouble. You're basically just going to put on weight. And when you have a slowed thyroid, you start to put on those collagen bat wings, and you put weight on evenly all over the body. So you get big legs, big arms, a big double chin. Everywhere you just put on weight. And the problem is it mixes fat and water and it lodges it into between the cells, and it's like this gooey substance that's very hard to get rid of. So people who have thyroid issues really need to sort their thyroid out. Hormone replacement therapy literally just slows your thyroid down even more. So basically, we have this excellent little trick on waking your thyroid up again. And this can literally work overnight if you do it right. It can cause all sorts of things. It can cause some kind of emotional thing to happen with you, or it can cause a headache, or it can cause all sorts of things, this treatment. So be aware of that. But it is very, very effective in waking the thyroid up. And what it does is it brings the blood flow and the oxygen to the thyroid. So it starts to wake up and it starts to do what it's supposed to do. Obviously, you've got to do this in conjunction with a healthy diet, which you can talk to us about as well. But this will help you wake your thyroid up. So firstly, what we do is we take organic castor oil. So we take the organic castor oil and we take organic cayenne pepper. And we mix it in a little bowl and we put it on a paper towel like this. Smear it around. Don't touch the stuff with your fingers and then touch your eyes or something else. Okay, put it on a paper towel. And then comes the fun part. So now you take it and you put it over your thyroid. So someone slit your throat or something. Put it over your thyroid. And once you've got it on your thyroid like that, you take a towel, roll it up, put it around, or a scarf or something like that. Tie it on. And you keep that on for as long as you can. If you can go to sleep with it on and see how long you can make it work. But this will help your thyroid. You should also be taking selenium and kelp, because kelp has iodine in it. Iodine supports the thyroid, and so does selenium. So they work in conjunction with each other. Selenium also removes heavy metals from your body. It's a good detox. So here you go. Let's keep it on for a little while, and then I'll let you know how it ends up for me. Whew. So I've had this on for a few hours now. You can see how my beard has grown. And yeah, I've had quite an interesting reaction. I definitely started to feel a little bit emotional. It was quite an interesting thing. I started to feel a bit emotional. It gets very hot, that's for sure. That's why I'm taking it off now. It's getting a bit too hot for me. But there's definitely something waking up there. I can feel that it's there's definitely something happening. There's like a tingling sensation. I've used cayenne pepper and castor oil on many things before, like on sports injuries, and I use it on my face for not cayenne pepper, just the castor oil on my hair and on my face and all these kinds of things. But I always recommend this to my clients, and I had a lot of different types of comebacks with it. People have all these different kinds of reactions. Some people just cannot handle it and they just go, take it off. That's it. I can't do it anymore. And it gives them this like feeling of claustrophobia. I've started to feel a little bit weird. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure that it's a good thing, not a bad. But so there you go. Looks like someone's trying to murder me, but it's really just cayenne pepper and castor oil. So give it a try and let's see how that goes for you.